Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. So today I'm super excited. This is the first time I've gotten this box. I think it's the second time that they've done it, but this is my first experience. And it is the Foodie box from Glam Lite. You guys, I am loving their stuff. I almost have like all their palettes except for the paint palette, the burger palette, and I think the big taco palette. But that's it. I have like 4 of their palettes or something like that. So I am on a collector's mission. This was only, gosh, I think it was $39. Correct me if I'm wrong. I probably am wrong. I should have looked that up before I started recording, but I completely forgot. Because I'm so excited to get into this. It's been sitting at my house for 2 days, and I just, you guys, my son even like opened it up and looked at it. I was like, don't show me. I got to do it on video. So I kind of have an idea what's in here because they show you when you order it. They showed all the products, but I didn't like take a deep dive into there because I kind of want to be a little bit surprised. So without further ado, let's get into it, you guys. So when you open it up, it is bubble wrapped up. It looks like a ray of sunshine. And let's get rid of that. And that's what you say. So, oof. We have a bunch more bubble wrap. So 2 things fell out of here. So we'll go ahead and do those first. This is the Champerito. Okay. So that is right there. It's time to sweeten up your lips with the delicious aroma of authentic Mexican chocolate sugar cane and mouth-watering cinnamon. Inspired by one of the most popular and delicious Mexican drinks, our Champerito, I'm probably saying that wrong, lip gloss is the perfect warm nude color to complement any look. You'll say, que delicio. You guys, I can't speak Spanish. Every time you apply it. So I don't have any of their lip glosses, so I'm excited for this. And that is what it looks like. And we are going to swatch it. It doesn't have, I don't smell that. I don't even smell a cinnamon. You playing me? I don't know about that. I don't know about it smelling good. Might taste good, but I don't know about it smelling good. But anyway, there is the swatch. It is really pretty and shiny. And then we have Agua Fresca. That drink looks so good. And then it says, inspired by the savory and refreshing Mexican drink, Agua Fresca Lips is an ultra dazzling pink gloss infused with the aroma of strawberry. Give your lips the refreshing treat they deserve. Okay, let's see. That drink looks really good. I love strawberries. Ooh, it's pretty. That is really pretty. Definitely doesn't have that smell, but that is beautiful. Okay, what a great way to start it off. I'm excited. I also have the donut palette coming, and I have the veggie palette coming, the veggie pizza palette coming in a different order. It'll probably be here tomorrow. I was going to try to do it and show you in this box, but I couldn't wait any longer. It's already been 2 days. So I'm just letting you know I do have the donut palette. I most likely will do a get ready with me with that palette. So let me know if you want to see that. All right, let's get into this. All right, bag is empty. Now this is a new product that they released, and this is Conca Highlighter, I believe. I'm not going to be able to pronounce any of these things, so please forgive me for that. Let's see. And I don't have any of their highlighters. That looks pretty. And has the Glam light on the back. And how do you open it? You push? Yeah. Oh, it's purple. What? Okay. I'm down for a purple highlight. That don't bother me one bit. And, oh, wow, that's pretty. Okay. That's really pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. So, this I have. It is right here. It is what's on my eyes today. That's why I did the look that I did. I will swatch it out for you. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this yet. It probably will go on Macari. So, just letting you know, that's most likely where it will go. And this is what it looks like. And here are your shades. And I am wearing, I tried to use as many shades as I could today. So I'm wearing the green, the purple, the red, the orange, the guacamole green, this one, and this one. I'm wearing all of those so that I could get as many on my eyes as I could today so you guys could see it. But we'll go ahead and do swatches. Glam Lite's formula is amazing. You guys, it is nothing else like it. Let's see. I really, really enjoy their shimmer formula. So there are the first 4 shades. And these are all one swipe swatches. Look at how pretty they are. Where did I leave off? Okay. And there's 2 more. And there's those. And there are your shades in the Street Taco palette. Very, very nice. I will total up all these items and put that in the description box so you guys can see what the actual value of this is. So just letting you know on that one. All right, and it looks like we have a card. Hey babe, want to save some dinero? Save 15% off when you use code GLAM15 right there. So you guys are welcome to use that. And then it looks like we have 2 pairs of lashes. Oh, cool. So we have margarita lashes in strawberry. Those are really pretty. Really pretty. And look at the packaging. It's so cute. And I have to open this one. Give me 1 second. Okay, these are adorable, you guys. The packaging is outstanding. It is called Alpaster, I believe. And let's see what they look like. Oh, they're stunning. They are beautiful. Look at that. I love this packaging. It's so cool. Indulge in gorgeous, full, and luminous eyelashes. Every Glam lash is designed and handcrafted using the highest and softest quality of synthetic silk. Our 3D lashes are the perfect way to add volume, length, and versatility to your eyelashes. All right, so let's recap. It's a little bit of a short video, but I'm excited. I know I definitely got my money's worth. So I can't wait till that donut palette comes in and I play with that. But you guys, I'm happy for this. Even though I already had the palette, I still may be able to make some of the money back from selling it on my Macari. So it's a win-win. So recapping, we have this pair of lashes, and where'd the other pair go? We have both pairs of lashes, the Street Taco palette, which is amazing, and we have 2 lip glosses, and then we have a highlighter. So you guys, I think it's amazing. Let me know if you guys got this palette, let me know if you guys got this box, what you thought of it. Have you been watching other people unbox it? I love it. I'm so happy I got a hold of it because they do sell out very fast from what I understand. And I'm just excited that I got a hold of it this time. And I will be keeping an eye out for the next one because I think it's definitely worth the money. I know it wasn't over $40, so definitely worth the money right there. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and also hit that notification bell so you know of future videos when I post them. Thank you so much for being here. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.